Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube search history in easy way. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, let me show you the search history. Here is my search history and now I'm gonna delete it. Normally you have to choose this profile icon and now choose this settings icon. From here, choose manage all history. Now here you will see all of the history that you have watched earlier. And now if you want to delete one of the search history, just normally click on this cross icon, delete, again cross icon, delete, to delete them one by one. On the other hand, if you want to delete all of them, just select this delete option and you can choose the range. If you want to delete only for today, choose this delete today. Or if you want to choose all of the histories, then choose delete all time. I'm choosing delete all time and clicking on this delete button. And that's it. We have successfully deleted all of the YouTube search history on YouTube. From now, if I click on this search result right now, it's totally empty. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.